Wait. Okay. Sorry. Hi guys. Today we're gonna react to Roasting or No 69 and make sure to look at the channel. Yep, roasting. Yeah, something.
This next song is about a little boy who eats way too much.
What if there's adults watching?
Boom.
Be sure to watch the whole thing to see how it ends.
Okay, let's see,
And
bitch.
don't lie.
Okay, let's see.
What do you think that's gonna do, Pixel Head?
Johnny?
Shut up.
Johnny.
How did you? Wait. Let me get this straight. You have eyes, right? You use it for a reason, and you don't see the fucking trigger man. Like, just tell me. Just explain, bitch.
Sugar.
No, stupid.
Telling lies.
Yes, he is.
Open wide.
Ah! I want to see you run
See the
teeth.
bag of sugar, stupid.
Exactly,
Boy,
bitch.
you should go like that. That's bad.
Oh my god.
Johnny.
How do you know?
Okay. Tell me. How did you? Oh, you're asking him for what? Are you eating cake? It's legit sitting right at that table. You blind who you are. Let me need some glasses, bitch.
Here's the whole piece of cake.
Not even joking.
Telling lies.
Oh wait. Check behind his back, stupid. Like you can see his hands behind his back. Like, oh my god, I'm so stupid. Why would he put in his mouth? Think I'm stupid? But both of y'all are stupid, bitch.
Open wide.
Shut up, what kind of music is this? Not drippy. The only drippy is my song. Oh my god.
Johnny.
Okay. You turn the lights on, right? And you still don't see it. Okay, you have the lights off, you wouldn't see him. But your lights are on, bitch.
See the plate of.
Okay, let me get this straight. You're not mad at him that's staying up all night eating, snacks. I mean, I'm not staying up all night. You're not mad at that part? Be mad at that part, bitch. So stupid.
Cookies.
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
Didn't ask.
Free to be alive.
He squished it like a nose.
Damn. That went way too far.
Crumbs.
Exactly.
You died.
I can't really see that pixel head. But I know Zip, probably can.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Are you gonna put this spoon in the sink after you eat that? I can't handle this, bro. The stupidness is so bad. Like, the IQ goes down just like the elevator when they step on the bitch.
Eating ice
How do
cream.
you
Are you the one who's recording this shit?
not see the whole big tub of ice cream?
Chunk of ice cream, okay.
Wide.
Go ahead. Wait, you're not joking.
Don't it. You can see his hands going behind his back, stupid.
Okay, enough of the stupid. Damn.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating
He's not your papa, he's your dad,
telling
bitch.
lies.
Just because he has a
Check
beard.
behind his back.
I hope you die soon.
Pancake.
Does it look like he has a pancake head? Sprinkle head.
Johnny.
Yes,
I hope you get diabetes, bitch.
Chocolate.
No, Papa.
You see it?
How did you not see this? How did you not see the whole chocolate bar like the Hershey's chocolate?
That's real.
Probably the Mr. Beast one's better. Bitch. Feastable head.
Still hyper.
When your papa caught you with that, then he's gonna be your feast for tonight. Yeah,
Cupcake.
because you're dead.
Cookies. Cake. Sugar.
Oh.
Johnny.
How come you're not eating faster? I'll back and eat that in 1 millisecond, bitch.
Yes, Papa.
Eating candy.
That's gummies.
Telling
Stupid.
Same thing.
Open wide.
You want to see the bowl? Dummy. There's only one.
Why not grab a couple, bitch?
Good trip.
Johnny.
Is that peanut butter?
It's all. Oh, okay. You can clearly see that's peanut butter. Okay, that's peanut butter. Are you dumb or something? That is peanut butter, bitch.
Eating peanut butter.
Ew.
It's not. I mean, I like peanut butter. It's okay. Like, it's not disgusting or like the favorite. Like, I wouldn't say if it's ill. Like, it's still good. Like, peanut butter and so on. Sandwich. If I'm allergic to nuts, yeah, but I'm allergic to the ketchup.
Put it in his nose. Squish nose.
Open wide.
Squishy, squishmallow. Nobody knows is
Oh, you're not
squishmallow.
seeing a fucking fat spoon like him.
Johnny, eating caramel.
It's terrible! British self. British smell like blemish because you're so blemish. Fish tank head. Fat head.
Caramel
Telling
stupid.
lies.
Exactly. Fish tank head. The fish tank is cube like your head, bitch. That's why I call you a fish tank head. Probably your head wouldn't fit in a book bag. Too fat. Like your ass. Just tell me why are you not shutting up? Okay, let me tell you to shut up. You're still talking, bitch.
Eating popsicles.
English or Spanish?
Telling
You're gay! Why are you gay?
How did I know?
Because it's been there for 3 seconds. Bitch. Well, oh my god. How did you finish that popsicle for like 1 second? Like, just tell me how. I mean, if I was burning for like 300 degrees, I would do that.
It's a donut like his head.
It's actually a fish tank head.
How do you not see the full
telling
donut?
lies.
Plate of donuts.
Open wide.
I hope he tricked you with that Play-Dohs. Put in a donut so you can die. Bitch. Hope you will. So won't shut the fuck up.
Rub your face.
Johnny,
I hope you get diabetes, bitch. I hope you die.
telling lies.
Do you not see the little pie there? You don't have a brain.
You're not joking, bro. He doesn't even have a brain. If he does have a brain, it'll be rectangle. Plus, it doesn't even exist, so it can't. You're going up again? I can clearly see that. I ain't blind. Just like you fish, tank, head, fucker. Yay. Yay. Yes. Game over. Oh, it's a game.
You can learn a lot from this video. Johnny,
I learned nothing, bitch. So stupid. Subscribe right now. Like right now. If you haven't subscribed, bitch. Subscribe. Or you're gonna die like him. Bye.